Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to add a link to an image in Wix. So let's get started. When you are logged into your Wix account and go to a website editor, you want to add a link to your image. For example, I will add a link to this. I will click this image, and when you click on this image, when you select it like me, you will have your tabs up here, like your settings, like your design, etc., crop and filters, etc., etc. And here you will have your link. You will click your link, and now you can choose everything. You can choose a page, a web address, a section on Anchor, top bottom page, documents, email, phone number, lightbox. You can choose whatever you want. For example, I will do a page, I will choose a page, I will choose my vision page, and I will now how does it open, new window or current window. You can click whatever you want to do, like a new window, and after that you can see your advanced SEO settings if you want it, but as simply as that, you just click done and your picture will have a link. When your website is online and everything is working, when somebody will be clicking on that image, he will be put on the link that you connected it with. So guys, this is a quick tutorial how to add a link to an image in Wix. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, just ask us in the comments or visit our channel, YouTube channel down below. We have many tutorials for everything that you need. And guys, I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!